Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I'm going to show, is your desktop computer freezing, hanging, or becoming unresponsive? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the top simple fixes to solve any PC hanging problem, whether it's because of software, hardware, or overheating. Let's get started. Quick basic fixes. First, let's start with quick solutions. Restart your PC. This clears temporary errors. Disconnect unnecessary USB devices like external HDDs and printers. Close heavy apps running in the background using Task Manager. Hardware issues. If your PC still hangs, the issue might be hardware related. 1. RAM problems. Opening PC case, removing RAM. Remove your RAM sticks, clean them gently, and reinsert them. You can also test one stick at a time to find a faulty module. 2. Overheating. B-roll, CPU fan, dust. Overheating causes instant freezes. Clean your PC fans and heat sinks. If it's an older PC, apply new thermal paste to the CPU. 3. Hard disk failure. On-screen, Crystal Disk Info screenshot. A failing HDD is the most common reason for freezing. Check your drive health. If it shows warning or bad, replace the HDD with an SSD. PCIe devices issues. Opening PC case, removing PCIe card. Remove your PCIe cards, clean them gently, and reinsert them. Graphics card, network cards, sound cards, FireWire card. Software issues. Most freezing issues start from software problems. Here's what to check. 1. Disable startup apps. Open Task Manager, Startup tab, disable unnecessary apps. 2. Check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. 3. Scan for viruses. Run Windows Defender Full Scan or Malwarebytes to remove malware that slows down your PC. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like on this video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and please make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.